Okay, I'm going to show you today what we're going to do using the Cricut Joy and using the app. How we're going to start from using the Cricut Design Space app. Okay, so I press on the Cricut Design Space. Okay, so I go into the categories and I go to my projects, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the Joy Shunt. Okay, so these two images that are what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut this and I'm going to make it, and I'm going to this time I'm going to use with the mat, on the mat. Alright, so let's go on the mat. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to be, and I'm going to cut two images. So okay, let's continue. So connect to the Cricut Joy machine. Okay, so after you have make the connection with your machine, you are being prompted up to the material settings. So since what we're gonna do is we're going to cut vinyls, so it's going to be a matte width, let's see. Okay, so the default will be the pressure, everything will be default. So now you are required to put your vinyl on the cutting mat, and you're going to insert onto the machine. So let's go. So right, so now you go back to your app. It out, we're going to start reading the vinyl out. So what we're going to do is we only need the outline of this. It's supposed to be a sun, but now it turns out to be more like a flower. So what we're going to do is we're going to read out all these bits and pieces where we are not going to use it. Okay. After we read out all the internal part, what we're going to do right now, we're going to use the Cricut transfer tape, and we're going to take out this piece of vinyl, and then we're going to transfer onto our Cricut Joy. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to place this over the vinyl. Okay, you may use your tool to actually rub it. Okay, and we're going to peel it off. Okay, right, so this is the transfer tape being picked up the piece of vinyl. Right now we're going to move over to the Cricut Joy, and we're going to transfer this piece of vinyl onto on top of the light. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to transfer the vinyl on top of the light. Okay, so you may adjust it if you are happy with it. So you just rub it, okay, and rub it using your scraper tool, and then you may be able to, after you have rubbed it, okay, you may be able to remove your piece of vinyl. Okay, so you are done. So right now you have your Cricut Joy. Okay, there is a light on top. You can actually this is what you can be able to do. You can decorate onto your Cricut Joy if you wanted to have little elements onto your machine. So that's how it goes. Thanks.